Solving logarithmic equation. Question 1. Log base root 8 x equals to 3 1 by 3. So here is a log root 8 x equal. It's a mixed fraction. We have to make this one improper. So 3 times 3 is a 9. 9 plus 1, 10 divided 3. We know a law of logarithm, which is log base a of b equals to x. It means base will be same. It means a, and here to the power x equals to b. So if we follow this rule, we can write, suppose this is a and this is a b, and this one x. So first a to the power x, it means root 8 to the power 10 by 3. So this case we have to find out the value of x. So we can write x equals to here root 8 to the power 10 divided 3. Okay. Now we can simplify root 8 against this one. We can write a 2 to the power 3 by 2. Right. And here times 10 divided 3. So 3 divided 3 is a 1, and 10 divided 2 it will be 5. So finally we can write 2 to the power 5. So result is 32. Very simple. So if you have any question in here, we can simplify like this: root 8 and here is 10 divided 3. So this is root. Against 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, and here is 10 divided 3. Okay, so we need to omit this root sign, so we can write 2 3 times, against root we can write 1 by 2, and here is a times 10 divided 3. So 3 divided 3 it will be 1, and 10 divided 2 it will be 5. So finally we can write 2 to the power 5, which is 32. So first question answer done. Question 2, which is more important. Log base 10 98 plus root x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 2. We have to find out the value of x. So we know the law, like log base a of b equals to x. We can write here the base will be same. It means a to the power x equals to b. Right? This case, if we consider like this 10 is a and this expression will be b, and this 2 is x. So a to the power x equals to b. So we can write this expression in front like 98 plus root x square minus 12x plus 36 equal, here a to the power x, it means 10 square. So here is x square minus 12x plus 36 equal 10 square means 100, and both sides if we subtract by 98 it will be minus 98. Now here is x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 2. right? Now we can square root both sides. So this root sign will be out. X square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 2 square, it means 4, right? Then x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 4 equals to 0. It means we are subtract both sides by 4. Now x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 4, it will be 32 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this one. It means x square minus 12x plus 32. If we find out the factors of 32, we will get 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 3 is not possible, 4 possible, 4 times 8. Look, 4 times 8 equals to 32 and 4 plus 8 equals to 12. So we can write x square minus 8x minus 4x plus 32 equals to 0, right? Now we can take common x, so x minus 8 and here minus 4, again x minus 8 equals to 0. Now we can take common x minus 8, so here will be x minus 4 equals to 0. Now here we can write either x minus 8 equals to 0, then it will be x equals to 8, or if x minus 4 equals to 0, it means x equals to 4. So our answer, x equals to 4 or 8. Very simple. So this video we are trying to solve logarithmic equations to math, which is very important. It's a good practice. I hope you learn lots of things from this channel. That's why I request you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.